Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel, GT Rider. Welcome to Weekly Auto News. And if you like the video, please do encourage. And also subscribe to the channel for auto updates, new launches and much more. Let's begin the video. Damon, the electric bike manufacturer, has launched two limited edition Hypersport with the price tag of $39,995. Booking amount is $1,000, which is fully refundable. Bike will be available in two color tones, as shown in the image. Hero Extreme 160R BS6 listed as coming soon on the company's website. Expected price Rs 90,000. 160R will be available in three colors. Honda has removed Activa e Grazia Aviator and Click from its website. Because of BS6 compulsion in India, few of them might launch soon with BS6 engines. Honda CB Hornet, X-Blade, CBR250 are also removed from the site. Because of BS6 compulsion from Indian government, CB Hornet expected to launch soon with BS6 engine. But we might not see CBR250R with BS6 engine, mainly because of poor sales. TVS Jupiter Grande Edition removed from the site. Because of BS6 compulsion. BS6 Jupiter Grande launch not yet confirmed. It was the only scooter with Bluetooth-enabled display. Kawasaki India extends warranty validity, due to lockdown in country. Warranty of the Kawasaki vehicle will be extended till the 30th of June. Bajaj Pulsar 125 launched in BS6 emission. Now, price starts from Rs 69,997 ex-showroom Delhi. Price has seen a rise of Rs 7,500 compared to its BS4 version. Power output to remain almost same. Prices to surge of Activa 125 and Activa 6G. Price to go up by nominal 552 rupees. This will be applicable on all variants of Activas. Activa 125 will now start from Rs 68,042 in Delhi. While Activa 6G will start from Rs 63,912. BS6 Hero Splendor iSmart 110 price rises. Price hiked by Rs 2,200. Now its price will start from Rs 67,100 in Delhi. BS6 Honda SP 125 price also surges. SP also gets 552 rupees costlier. Now it will be available from Rs 73,452 in Delhi. BS6 Yamaha Fascino 125 also gets expensive. Price increases by Rs 800. Starting price now will be Rs 67,230 in Delhi. New BMW G310 GS spotted during testing. Gets cosmetic changes as well as mechanical revisions. Likely to launch in the next few months. Suzuki V-Strom 1050 and 1050 XT launched in Japan. Likely to launch in India. Triumph Street Triple RS to be launched next week. Gets aesthetics and performance upgrades. Likely to be priced higher than current model. Will launch on 22nd of April. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe.